Every can of Monster Energy drink begins with raw energy from the earth. Harvested with precision, the journey of Monster Energy drink takes its first step. Pure water forms the foundation of Monster Energy drink. Natural caffeine sources power the core of Monster Energy drink. Every ingredient is aligned for the making of Monster Energy drink. Precision logistics drive the Monster Energy drink supply chain. Sealed and secured, the ingredients of Monster Energy drink begin their journey.
A convoy of energy heads toward transformation.
Across miles, the making of Monster Energy drink continues. Where raw power becomes refined Monster Energy drink. Inside these walls, Monster Energy drink takes shape. Every gram is measured in the making of Monster Energy drink.
The next phase of Monster Energy drink begins.
The factory awakens for Monster Energy drink. Raw energy enters the system that creates Monster Energy drink. The flow of Monster Energy drink ingredients begins inside the facility.
Every movement is timed in the making of Monster Energy drink. Precision transfers keep Monster Energy drink in motion.
Controlled flow defines the base of Monster Energy drink. Every path is calculated for Monster Energy drink.
The raw strength of Monster Energy drink begins to break down.
Natural energy is carried forward into Monster Energy drink. Storage meets precision in Monster Energy drink production. An organized system powers Monster Energy drink forward.
Human precision safeguards Monster Energy drink quality.
Purity is enforced in every step of Monster Energy drink. The process rises as Monster Energy drink advances.
Above it all, Monster Energy drink keeps moving.
The first refinement of Monster Energy drink begins here. From raw to refined, Monster Energy drink takes its next step. This is where Monster Energy drink is engineered at scale.
Every entry into Monster Energy drink production is controlled.
The flow of Monster Energy drink materials never stops. A synchronized system drives Monster Energy drink forward. Inside, the transformation of Monster Energy drink continues. Crossing the threshold into Monster Energy drink production. A world built to produce Monster Energy drink. Every hand prepared for Monster Energy drink precision. Technology oversees every drop of Monster Energy drink. The system comes alive for Monster Energy drink. All elements unite to form Monster Energy drink. Flow defines the creation of Monster Energy drink.
The heart of Monster Energy drink stands ready. The first blend of Monster Energy drink begins.
From raw elements, Monster Energy drink starts to take form.
The first purification stage of Monster Energy drink begins.
Every surface is washed before becoming Monster Energy drink.
Even the water is refined for Monster Energy drink.
Only the essential moves forward into Monster Energy drink.
Precision cleaning defines Monster Energy drink's drink quality.
Technology selects only the best for Monster Energy drink.
Anything imperfect is removed from Monster Energy drink.
Human precision ensures Monster Energy drink excellence.
Clarity is key in Monster Energy drink creation. Force refines the core of Monster Energy drink. Sterility guides every drop of Monster Energy drink. Purified inputs gather for Monster Energy drink. Data ensures perfection in Monster Energy drink.
The refined flow moves deeper into Monster Energy drink production.
Now purified, Monster Energy drink is ready for transformation. The core blend of Monster Energy drink begins here. Powerful mixing drives Monster Energy drink into motion. Sweetness meets energy in Monster Energy drink.
Measured intensity defines Monster Energy drink.
Functional nutrients shape Monster Energy drink. Flavor defines the identity of Monster Energy drink.
Uniformity is engineered into Monster Energy drink.
Precision temperature shapes Monster Energy drink.
Data ensures balance in Monster Energy drink. The process deepens for Monster Energy drink. The spark of Monster Energy drink is about to begin. Energy takes its signature form in Monster Energy drink.
Controlled pressure perfects Monster Energy drink.
The final balance of Monster Energy drink is achieved.
Now complete, Monster Energy drink moves to packaging. The form of Monster Energy drink
begins with precision containers.
Every Monster Energy drink can is purified before filling.
Perfect alignment drives Monster Energy drink efficiency. The transformation into Monster Energy drink begins.
Each can receives the energy of Monster Energy drink.
Even foam is controlled in Monster Energy drink. Every Monster Energy drink can is sealed with precision. The integrity of Monster Energy drink is secured. Every Monster Energy drink can is verified. Clean presentation defines Monster Energy drink. Every Monster Energy drink can is perfectly dried. Identity is stamped onto Monster Energy drink. Every detail is locked into Monster Energy drink. Only perfection moves forward as Monster Energy drink. Now complete, Monster Energy drink advances to final stages. Automation drives the precision of Monster Energy drink. Speed and accuracy define Monster Energy drink systems. Every Monster Energy drink can is digitally verified. Only perfect Monster Energy drink continues forward.
Organization prepares Monster Energy drink for packaging.
Each Monster Energy drink pack is sealed together.
It locks Monster Energy drink into form.
Every Monster Energy drink pack is traceable.
Precision weight defines Monster Energy drink consistency. Bulk packaging prepares Monster Energy drink for shipment. Every Monster Energy drink carton is secured. Destination is marked for Monster Energy drink. Automation builds the structure of Monster Energy drink logistics. Every Monster Energy drink pallet is locked for transport. The automated journey of Monster Energy drink continues. Final precision begins for Monster Energy drink. Every Monster Energy drink unit is positioned with accuracy. Even the smallest detail matters in Monster Energy drink. Presentation perfection defines Monster Energy drink. Final weight confirms Monster Energy drink consistency.
Strength is sealed into Monster Energy drink packaging.
Protection surrounds every Monster Energy drink pallet. Final security completes Monster Energy Drink preparation. Every Monster Energy Drink label is confirmed.
Every Monster Energy Drink unit is tracked.
Movement continues for Monster Energy Drink.
Human skill supports Monster Energy Drink automation.
Stored with care, Monster Energy Drink awaits dispatch.
Final checks ensure Monster Energy Drink readiness. Now ready, Monster Energy Drink moves to final delivery.
Quality testing begins for Monster Energy Drink.
Inside the lab, Monster Energy Drink is analyzed.
Every Monster Energy Drink can must look perfect.
Strength is verified in every Monster Energy Drink seal. The signature fizz of Monster Energy Drink is measured.
Balance defines the formula of Monster Energy Drink.
Science confirms Monster Energy Drink precision.
Safety is critical for every Monster Energy drink.
Monster Energy Drink is tested under all conditions.
Taste defines the experience of Monster Energy Drink.
Every Monster Energy Drink batch is documented.
Approval clears Monster Energy Drink for release. Only perfect Monster Energy Drink moves forward.
Verified Monster Energy Drink rejoins the system.
Cleared and ready, Monster Energy Drink enters its final stage.
The final journey of Monster Energy Drink begins.
Every Monster Energy Drink shipment is prepared with precision. Heavy loads carry the energy of Monster Energy Drink. Each Monster Energy Drink pallet finds its place. Fully loaded, Monster Energy Drink is ready to move. Secured for the journey, Monster Energy Drink departs. The power of Monster Energy Drink hits the road. Across distances, Monster Energy Drink reaches the world. The journey continues for Monster Energy Drink.
From factory to shelves, Monster Energy Drink moves fast.
Finished Monster Energy Drink stands ready.
Stored at scale, Monster Energy Drink awaits distribution.
Monster Energy Drink prepares for its final delivery.
And this is how modern factories produce Monster Energy Drink from start to finish.
From raw energy to